Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm making another app in code.org. So this is going to be a stopwatch, and in the last video I made a really addicting game called Poker Pig, and my score was 13 and I had to click the pig as many times as I could in 10 seconds. And if you guys want to try beating me, I'll put the video on the end screen, so remember to watch till the end, and then you guys can check it out from there. So this is a really great app. So if you want to, just show the reader or your friends, show your friends or users that you're really good at doing coding. Quite simple code, but looks really cool. And without further ado, let's get right into it. I've prematurely changed my background color to grey, and I'm gonna grab two buttons, size them about this much from the wall, from the border. And that seems just about equal, and this one will be stop and this one will be start. Now, I mean, they're quite simple ones for stop and start in a timer, and I'll grab this and turn it to red. Boom. And then I'm going to grab a label, just chuck it here and go boof. And it's going to type in, we'll type it in as time and put a colon, change this to comic and make it to 40. Because I don't want it too big in the end of the day. And I'm going to grab it, size it down a bit. That's that. And I'm going to grab one more label and make this height 60 as well. And then I'm just going to grab this and bring it all the way there. And this text is going to be comic, and it's going to type and it's going to be 0. And then I'm going to change this to 40 as well. There we go. And I'm just going to put it in the middle there. And that's basically the design done. So now into the coding side of things, I'm just going to grab an on event. And as you can see, this is button 3. So I will click button 3. And then I'm going to do, when button 3 is clicked, I want a timed loop to start. For those who don't know what a timed loop is, it's just basically a loop, like a repeat loop, but it changes based on time. So every 1 second, I want to set the text of label 4. So I get the set text from label 4, and then I want to grab the get number and put it there. Get number from, or we could just do, instead of making it hard for ourselves, I'll grab another time loop because I've just messed that one up. So yeah, we're going to grab another time loop, get the set text of label 4. So it's going to be label 4 or label. So what's in label 4? So I'm going to get the number from label 4. I want to add it by 1. Now, if I click run and start, we'll check if it's bugged. As if you guys have seen my other videos, that normally does happen. And as you can see, we have our working timer, and it will keep counting. And now we're going to move on to the stop button. As you can see, that was quite easy, and we've just got our timer to work. So the time is 16, and if you want, you guys can add a second sign on the corner here. But again, that's all your choice. And then we're going to take another on event, and this is button 4. So when button 4 is clicked, I want my timed loop to stop. And that's it. I have literally just made a working timer. What did that take? That took less than 10 minutes. and you guys have just made a great timer, and you can show it to your friends, and they'll be like, oh, that's so cool, how'd you do it? And it's a great app is to use for yourself as well. And if I click stop, as you can see, it stops, start, and it starts again. Now I can add I'll add a reset button while I'm here. So I'll get one more button, chuck it on the top, and it's going to be called reset. Now this button I'm going to put as yellow, and make the text color as black because it's quite hard to see. And then and yeah, that can be that. Now we'll go back here and say on event, when button 4 is it? Oh, what's button 1? When button 1 is clicked, I want to set set the text in label for text to 0. So start, reset, and there you go. So it could be like, oh, I wanted to stop here. Wait, actually I want to reset, start. So there you go, guys. I've just added start, reset, stop, and there is my timer. And I will go ahead and just add a tiny label here saying sec. And that is the short form for seconds, for those who don't know. And I'll just make it one bigger, and change the text, of course, to comic. Now, start, and boom, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. So that is the timer, guys, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and have learnt something new. If you guys have any clarifications or any new video ideas, put them in the comments below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible, and I'll make the video as soon as I can. And yeah, remember to hit that like button and subscribe, and also hit that notification button to stay updated with my content as soon as it's released, and that would help me a lot. So thank you for watching. Until next time, this is me signing off.